Alright, well today we're taking a look at our 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport. We're going to do a slow walk around of the vehicle and then we'll fire her up and go for a test drive. You can see the front chrome is in amazing condition, it looks great. Beautiful chrome and bright work. The bezels around the headlights looks great. The paint on the hood, just a beautiful shine and reflection, nice straight clean paint finish. Absolutely beautiful. Painted stripes. The passenger side of the body is nice and straight. Now this car does have factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. See down on the rockers, nice and clean all the way to the bottom of the rockers. Just a beautiful Chevelle. The car has been fully restored. You can see the door paneling fits nice and straight, good gaps. It does have the Super Sport wheels with radial TA tires, dual exhaust with chrome exhaust tips. Let's see down the bottom of the quarters, just really clean. The rear chrome looks great as well. Just a gorgeous Chevelle. You can see the paint on the deck lid. It's a beautiful shine and reflection. I'm trying to get right up on the paint. The rear windshield looks great as well. Looking at the driver's side of the body again, just a really straight, clean body. All the way down to the bottom of the quarters. Just a good tight fit. And again, down on the bottom of the driver's side rockers. Very clean car. Let's take a peek inside. Weather stripping looks good. It got the correct rubber bumpers there. The door panel looks beautiful. Beautiful red interior to match the car. Inside the door jambs, nice and clean and detailed. Sill plate looks good. Beautiful upholstery. Got the Super Sport steering wheel. Tachometer with the 5500 red line. Round gauge package. I don't see any dash cracks on the top upper part of the dash there. You can see the headliner looks good. Alrighty, let's pop the hood and listen to her run.
Exhaust sounds great. The engine's idling just fine. Big block 396 is idling great. You can see your factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. I believe it's front disc brakes as well. Just a great running Chevelle. All right, well, let's get her out on the road. Let's check reverse just to go through our checklist here. All right. My tachometer is working. I can already see my speedometer is working as well. Looks like all my gauges are functioning properly. Wow, great acceleration. The kickdown's working. You can feel those four barrels open up. doing 50 miles an hour. This is a great driving Chevelle. Dual exhaust sounds great. She drives down the road nice and straight. Let's just feel our brakes here. Oh, the power brakes are amazing. They don't pull to the left or the right. What a nice ride.